Castor oil in belly button benefits. Have you ever heard that applying castor oil in your belly button before bed can improve your health? At first, it sounds strange, but this simple natural remedy has been used for centuries in Ayurveda and traditional medicine, and the results are powerful. Let me show you what happens when you try it. The belly button is not just a spot on your stomach, it connects to over 72,000 veins in your body. That's why applying castor oil here can travel through your body quickly and support many organs. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory, detoxifying, and healing properties. Here are the top proven and traditional benefits of applying castor oil to your navel. Relieves bloating, gas and constipation. Improves digestion, detoxifies liver and cleanses the body. Reduces menstrual pain and supports fertility. Boosts immunity naturally. Improves sleep and relaxes the nervous system. Reduces joint and body pain. Brightens skin and reduces acne naturally. Hydrates dry lips and heals from inside. This simple night routine can change your health over time. Here's how to do it correctly. Use 100% cold-pressed castor oil. Before bed, put 2 to 3 drops inside your belly button. Gently massage in a clockwise motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Lie down and relax, leave it overnight. Do this 5 to 7 nights a week for best results. For women, this is powerful. Castor oil around the belly supports hormone balance, reduces PMS pain, and may help with period irregularity. Some women also use it to improve fertility naturally by boosting circulation around reproductive organs. Avoid if you are pregnant or trying to conceive this cycle. Use only organic cold-pressed castor oil. Do not apply on open wounds or infections. May stain clothes, so protect your sheets. If you want me to show how to make castor oil belly packs for fibroids, fertility, and pain relief, comment castor oil part 2 inches below. Share this video with someone who needs this healing remedy. Follow for more natural health tips daily.